फंडामेंटल चीज़ हमेशा एज अ ब्रांड बिल्डर और मार्केटर इन ब्रॉड वो यही रहेगी कि यू आर द कस्टोडियन ऑफ द कंज्यूमर. सो कोई भी चीज़ कंज्यूमर के हवाले से होगी उस कंपनी में, उस बिजनेस में, यू आर द ओनर फॉर दैट.
The advantage that you have there is the opportunities are much more as compared to marketing. Options to learn are largely because देखिए company generally, if you take any big company in Pakistan, उनके पास 5-6 brands होते हैं, right? But when you talk about sales, they will have at least 10-12 regions. Key accounts एक अलग division होगा, then you have back and trade marketing अलग होगी, trade engagement अलग होगी, distribution strategy अलग होगी, capability development होगी, sales cycle planning अलग होगी. So there are a lot of things within that function by virtue of the spread that we have.
Assalamu alaikum, Anwar Dar. It was a pleasure and a privilege to be invited at Wales College. It was a fantastic opportunity for me to interact with such a bright and energetic crowd, looking the future generation of Pakistan, filled with excitement, filled with talent, filled with questions, filled with inquisitiveness to learn. I think it's a great platform where the kids are able to learn from the experiences, from the mistakes, from the good things that worked for us, and we are able to share it and impart that knowledge to them, so moving forward they get a head start. So I wish them all the very best, and especially Wales College. Thank you.